Student, in the last lecture we have got idea about very interesting unit, that is a means we have commenced the new unit, that is correlation and regression. From that we have got idea about correlation, types of correlation, and two methods which are used for the measurement of correlation. Out of that we have got idea about the graphical method of measurement of correlation. Now today in this lecture we have to get idea about mathematical methods of measurement of correlation. Friends, before that we have to remember some points. What is correlation? Correlation, degree of relationships. Always it is denoted by small r. And the methodology which are used to measure the degree of relationship, first one as we have seen in the last lecture, that is a graphical method. Second one, that is a mathematical method. Now from that one, Karl Pearson coefficient correlation and Spearman's rank. Here the positive whenever correlation is there, as already I have said to you, whenever increases the concentration, increases the germination percentage. So there is a positive correlation, then always we have to write plus 1. Whenever there is a negative, whenever increase in the NaCl concentration, decrease in the germination percentage, negative. Suppose increase in the NaCl concentration, no any response, no either increasing or decreasing, then that is a zero correlation or no correlation is there. So like that one, my friends, this point you have to remember. Now first method, Karl Pearson method of correlation we have to use. Always we know that the degree of correlation is denoted by small r. Direction of change in indicated by sign negative or positive. Normally value ranges in between plus 0.8 to minus 0.5. Interpretation correlation coefficient. If degree of correlation r that is equal to plus 1, then we have to say perfect positive correlation is there. If there is a degree of correlation r is equal to minus 1, then we have to say that is a perfect correlation and negative 1. And if there is r is equal to 0 value, then we have to say that there is no correlation. So this point you have to keep in mind. Now the procedure of computing the correlation coefficient. What is that procedure of computing or calculating the correlation of coefficient? Here first of all we have to calculate the mean of two series. Then calculate the deviations in two series from their respective mean. Then square the each deviation of x and y, then obtain sum of the squared deviations, that is summation x square and summation y square. Multiply each deviation under x with each deviation under y and obtain the product of x and y. Then obtain the sum of the product of x and y, that is summation xy. Substitute the value of the formula into this. Degree of correlation is equal to summation dx dy under root summation dx square summation dy square. So here the example is there. So this example given to you here on upper side, values of the x and y variables are there. That same values again given here, and we have to find out the correlation coefficient among them. Formula for that is here. R is equal to summation dx dy under root divided by square root of a summation dx square and summation dy square. Now my friends, always I will use to say that first of all concentrate on the formula. Formula काय? Degree of correlation is equal to summation dx dy divided by under root of summation dx square into summation dy square. So these first of all value we have to calculate in the table. Already these x and y values are given to us. First of all we have to calculate the mean of that, isn't it? X bar and y bar. So here x bar is equal to 30, y bar is equal to 25 is there. Now this deviation x minus x bar, x value is here, x bar value is 30, 30 minus 23, that value is there, and we have to calculate here summation x minus x bar. Similar way we have to calculate the things that is related with the, just a minute, 30 is there. Similar way these values we have to calculate in this column, write in this column summation x minus x square. Now dx square, you have to make the square of a x value, isn't it? Then you have to make the this dx value, 3 is there, 9 is there, 2 is there, 4 is there, then 2 is there, 4 is there, minus 1 is there, so there is 1 is there, 0 is there, 0 is there. So like that one you have to calculate the value for deviation x square. Now similar way in case of the y variable, dy is equal to x minus y bar, means y value that is from the table of this y value we have to take, and x y bar that is a 25. So when we will prepare such a type of a column, so that could be the dy is equal to deviation y is equal to in bracket y minus y bar bracket complete. Here my friends deviation means mean value पासून ती x value किती लांब आहे, that is a deviation that you will have to keep in mind. Example I will tell to you. Suppose here -4 value आलेली आहे, किती आली, -4 value आली, ती कशाची आहे -4 value, तर that is of actually 29, म्हणजे 25 मधून 29 मधून -25 केलं तर -4 येत आहे. याचा अर्थ मीन पासून ही वायची व्हॅल्यू ही -4 डेव्हिएट झालेली आहे, दूर गेलेली आहे, दॅट इज दॅट. नाऊ dy स्क्वेअर ॲज वी हॅव कॅल्क्युलेटेड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ dy, हे व्हॅल्यू काढलेले आहेत. 7चा स्क्वेअर 49 आहे, 5चा स्क्वेअर 25 आहे, लाईक दॅट पण हा कॉलम पण तयार केलेला आहे आपण, आणि त्याचे समेशन इथं घेतलेले आहे, समेशन ऑफ dx स्क्वेअर, समेशन ऑफ dy स्क्वेअर, इजंट इट. dx dy मल्टिप्लिकेशन घेतलेलं आहे, जे डेव्हिएशनची आलेली व्हॅल्यू एक्सची, डेव्हिएशनची व्हॅल्यू आलेली वायची, त्याचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन 49, म्हणजे 7 गुणिले 7 बरोबर 49, 2 गुणिले 2 बरोबर 4ची व्हॅल्यू आली. सो लाईक दॅट वन वी हॅव टू प्रिपेअर द कॉलम, टेक द समेशन डेव्हिएशन्स ऑफ ऑल दिस थिंग्स, आणि ह्या सगळ्या व्हॅल्यू पुन्हा डिग्री ऑफ कोरिलेशन दॅट इज समेशन dx इंटू dy केलेली आपण काढलेली आहे, म्हणजे ही व्हॅल्यू समेशन dx इंटू dy, त्याच्यानंतर खाली समेशन dx स्क्वेअर इंटू समेशन dy स्क्वेअर, त्याची व्हॅल्यू काढलेली आहे, आणि फायनल व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला r इज इक्वल टू +0.81 आलेले आहे. सो दिस व्हॅल्यू. So like that one, with the help of using this Pearson's formula, we will be able to calculate the degree of correlation. Positive correlation is there. It is a positive value, is positive correlation of a two variables occurs. So like that one, you have to solve the many problems of that one. Now we have to get idea about Spearman's rank coefficient of correlation. Variables under study are not capable of quantitative measurement but can be arranged in a serial order. First of all, formula rho is equal to 1 minus sigma summation d square divided by n in bracket n square bracket 1. Sigma constant value, r is equal to rank of correlation, d is the difference of rank between the paired item in the two series, n is equal to total number of observations. Now three basic ways ranks are given here. Compute the difference between rank r1 and r2, square the d and get the summation d square, substitute the value in formula. Ranks not given, given ranks are highest 1 and lowest next is a 2. Ranks are equal or repeated. Now here is the how to solve. Here an example is there. Following are the titratable acidity numbers at 7 times period in a leaves of Aristolochia brachyurata. Now tan values are given, time is given there, so we have to calculate the correlation between the tan value and time required for that, isn't it? So here rank tan value as it is we have taken as it as we have in the first column, that is x 7 20 24 33 then 68, so same values, and again time value we have written here, and now d is equal to x minus y. x ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे 7 वजा 6 1, x ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे 20 वजा 9 11 11 24 वजा 15 9 15 33 वजा 18 15 62 वजा 21 41 देन 68 वजा 24 44. सो डी डेविएशन एक्स मायनस. नाव डी स्क्वेअर व्हॅल्यू इज द्या, स्क्वेअर करायचा आहे प्रत्येक व्हॅल्यूचा आणि त्याचं सम करायचं, दॅट इज व्हॅल्यू 4166. इथं आपण लिहिलेलं आहे समेशन रो इज इक्वल टू 1 मायनस सिग्मा एक्स समेशन डी स्क्वेअर इन ब्रॅकेट डिवायडेड बाय एन ब्रॅकेट n2 मायनस n1. आपण ह्या व्हॅल्यू इथं त्याच्यामध्ये टाकले की आपल्या लक्षात येईल, आणि फायनल रिझल्ट जे मिळतात आपल्याला त्याच्यामध्ये 1 मायनस 6x 4161 डिवायडेड बाय 7 इंटू 7 स्क्वेअर मायनस 1. आता 7 ही व्हॅल्यू नंबर ऑफ ऑब्झर्वेशन 1 2 3 4 5 6 आणि 7 म्हणून 7 घेतलेला आहे. 7 ब्रॅकेटमध्ये त्याच्या आत 7चा स्क्वेअर वजा 1 केलेला आहे, 7 7 49 वजा 1 व्हॅल्यू आलेली आहे, म्हणजे झालं 48 ब्रॅकेटच्या बाहेर आपण काढलेलं. सो दॅट मल्टिप्लिकेशन इज 990. 1 मायनस 2600 26,196 divided by 990. 1 minus 24 minus 0.46 and p value is minus 73. So there is a negative correlation between these two. There is no positive correlation we have reported. Means as the time span increases, the value also we have to say that time span 6 9 12. So there is a negative correlation we have found into this. So this is a mathematical method of calculation. Suppose ranks are not given, isn't a random sample of a 5 trees of a custard apple is selected and number of fruits and number of seeds are found to be in the table. Calculate Spearman's ranks correlation. Rank given आहे 2 93 सीड्स आहेत, रँक गिवन 1 आहे, 75 आहेत. सो फ्रूट्स किती आहेत 85, रँक 2 आहे, 60 4 रँक आहे, इथं रँक गिवन 3 आहे प्रत्येकाचं. सो दिस व्हॅल्यूज हॅव बीन गिवन टू यू. So that also we have to use here to calculate the Spearman's. Sorry. Now here we will be able to see that x values are there as it is. We have fruits x we have taken, y values that are seeds we have taken, then ranks are given of that one also written here. Ranks of a seeds are given, the ranks of fruits are given. Now 2d is equal to x minus y. ही व्हॅल्यू काढलेली आपण, देन डी स्क्वेअर अँड सेम व्हॅल्यू वी हॅव फिल्ड इन टू द आय हॅव टू से दॅट द फॉर्म्युला ऑफ ए कॅल्क्युलेशन. अगेन व्हेरिएबल्स आर इन द सेम डायरेक्शन, व्हेरिएबल्स आर इन ए सेम डायरेक्शन, दॅट्स वाय देर इज ए पॉझिटिव्ह कोरिलेशन वी हॅव इट इज अ पॉझिटिव्ह कोरिलेशन बिटवीन द फ्रूट्स अँड सीड्स. सो हिअर वी हॅव ट्राईड पॉझिटिव्ह लाईक दिस, not this is wrong. Okay, so like that one you'll have to solve the problem. So you'll come to know that how the biostatistics or correlation is going to help to find out the correlation between the two variables. Ranks equals and repeated. Same we have to say that from the following data calculate the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient after making the adjustment for the tied ranks. So here we can see the x and y values are there. When 2 or more items have equal values, difficult to rank them. The items are given in average of ranks they receive. If 2 individuals are placed in a 5th place, each given rank 5 plus 6 divided by 2 is equal to 5.5, which is a common rank, and next is a 7. So if there are the rank equal at the 5th place rank, 5 plus 6 plus 7 divided by 3, that is equal to 6. Next will be the 8. So here you will be able to see the things. Again we have to prepare such a type of a columns. Already we know that the x and y values are given, ranks are calculated here, and now ranks of both about us. D, that is deviation, x minus y value is there, means 8 minus 5.5 is equal to 2.5 is there. So that value we have calculated like that one. This table of a d is equal to x minus, then d square is summation d square is equal to 41. Now in x series 17 is repeated 3 times and hence m is equal to 3. In y series 14 and 7 repeated twice in number, that's why n is equal to 2. Ha formula dila hai. According to formula we have to substitute the values that we have calculated with the help of a table or given values, and finally there is a positive value 0.7364. So that is actually values are in the same direction. It is a positive correlation between the x and y variable. Again I will tell you, हे तर व्हॅल्यू घेताना पॉझिटिव्ह हा शब्द असा लिहायला पाहिजे. दॅट यू हॅव टू कीप इन माइंड. ओके. Now once again I will tell to you my friends, take the many samples, try to solve that sample as a problem, as a sample, solve those problems and try to understand the formula. Keep in mind because formulas are very not that much difficult to remember, but when you will solve the many more examples, the formula will remain in your mind, or you immediately will be able to write the formula in the examination. And how to prepare the table, how to prepare the column, why to prepare the values, that you will come to know that. With this my friends I will say to you, thank you very much.